Makinig ka, isa sa mga biggest signs na meron kang avoidant attachment is that every time na meron kang crush, tapos kin-rush back kanila, is hindi mo na sila crush. Let's just say, meron kang crush ha. Tapos sinabi nung crush mo na crush ka rin niya, like kin-rush back ka niya tapos bigla kang umiwas. Bigla kang na-detach na no, wag mo kong i-crush back. Parang naging red flag yung pagka-crush back nila sa'yo. I hope you get it, medyo malabo ba? If ganun yung atake mo, meron kang avoidant attachment. Yes, meron kang avoidant attachment kasi ganyan ako before. Kilala kita, wag ka nang tumakas. One of the reasons kasi kung bakit tayo nagkakaroon ng avoidant attachment is that a lot of our past experiences is hindi naging maganda. Merong nag-betray sa atin and some people are, cannot be trusted. Like paulit-ulit na parang na-betray na tayo ganon. So parang nagkaroon na tayo ng issue na if we trust someone, i-betray din nila tayo ulit. So parang mas safe ka na hindi ka gustuin ng isang tao kasi wala kang i-expect. Wala kang expect na betrayal, wala kang expect na trust issues, ganon. Heal this part of myself na you need to open yourself. Hindi porket na yung mga experiences mo before. And yes, I understand you. It's not easy to trust again and again. Especially if paulit-ulit na yung experience. Parang nakakapagod na, Lord ha. Open yourself. Open yourself kasi hindi lahat cheater, hindi lahat toxic, hindi lahat Hindi lahat ng magaganda. Nagdolalim bigla. Always remind yourself na you deserve a better love. But this time wag naman sa sobrang pagka-open ha, na parang wala ka ng boundaries, parang wala ka ng standards, no It take mo yung mga lessons na natutunan mo during na parang na-betray ka. Open yourself If meron nag-crush back sa'yo, tara! Huwag mong i-close yung sarili mo You deserve love. You deserve genuine, healthy, purest form of love. Lahatan ng love, self-love, beauty, milk, lahat deserve mo. Fix that issue, fix that avoidant attachment before you enter a relationship. Para wala masyado maging problema kasi mahirap din na if meron kang avoidant attachment tapos pumasok ka sa isang relationship. Mas magiging worse lang yung relationship na yan. As in, hindi na sa mag-New Year dun mo palang i-fix. No, ngayon na, i-fix mo na yan. Talk with your inner self. Alkaline. Ang dapat kalkalin. Yung mga trauma na yan, talk with your trauma and heal yourself. That's all I found for more.